All my life, without a doubt, I give you all my life. Now and forever till the day I die, you and I will share.
Year 2011, when we first met and had no clue what is ahead of us. Naalala mo pa? Yung love at first sight that lead us to our own kind of happiness.
I still remember the look on your face, lit through the darkness.
Silhouette pa.
Why did you go?
Remember yung magic na sinasabi ko sa'yo before? Naniniwala ka na ba sa magic ngayon?
Hi baby, hindi ko alam kung paano sisimulan ng paano mag-vow sa All-Star kasi first time ko magpapakasal and it will be the last time na magpapakasal ako.
I do recall now the smell of the rain, fresh on the pavement, went off the plane. That July 9th, the beat of my heart, it jumped through my shirt. Hope you still feel my arms.
Now I'll go sit on the floor wearing your
Bibi, naalala mo yung lagi mong ginagawa bago tayo matulog. You hug me so tight and you always tell me that you never felt this kind of love ever before. I will never get tired of hearing that and I will never get tired of loving you back.
kiss. I never imagined we'd end like this. Your name, forever the name on my lips. I do remember
The magic of love, how we started as LDR lovers in the early stage of our relationship, gave us the trust and strong commitment to each other. And as years gone by, together we made it possible. And now, as we become one, another challenging life awaits the two of us.
How I walked with my hands in my pockets, how I'd kiss you when you were in the middle of saying something.
Gusto ko lang sana i-share sa'yo way back when I was a grade school. Meron pinagawa sa amin yung teacher sa amin. Ang dinrawing ko lang is simple na bahay, may gwapong lalaki, may magandang babae sa kids. Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko nang mangyari yung dream na to na ngayon mangyayari na at tuloy-tuloy pang mangyayari to na.
just like a last.
Thank you kasi ikaw ang tutupad ng mga dream ko na yon. Hindi pa to matatapos lahat ng mga dreams natin dahil I know magkasama tayo sa hirap at ginawa.
Forever the name